How to create NFT and upload to Opensea? Even if you're not deeply involved in the crypto space, you've surely noticed that NFT, non-fungible tokens, are one of the most popular blockchain technology use cases. Specifically, NFT are all the rage today, with exorbitant NFT marketplace valuations. What's more, non-fungible tokens are just beginning to find their utility. This includes both digital realms as well as real-life niches, such as certifications, real estate, and other types of ownership. As such, this is without a doubt the best time to learn how to create NFT. Moreover, while new reputable chains and NFT marketplaces are emerging daily, the Ethereum chain and the Opensea marketplace remain the most popular option. Thus, you also ought to know how to upload NFT to Opensea, where you can display, auction, or sell them with ease. As the title suggests, you'll be able to learn how to create NFT and upload them to Opensea. While there are multiple ways to do this, especially if you look beyond Ethereum's blockchain, we'll take on a special example project and build a Web3 application that can generate an NFT. Moreover, we'll be using Rollies to make the entire process as simple as possible. With full access to Rollies' ultimate Web3 SDK, we'll be able to focus entirely on the front-end part of our DApp, while letting Rollies take care of the back-end. If you haven't already, make sure to create a free Rollies account now. That way, you'll be able to follow along easily once we get to our example project. Moreover, while Opensea may have its flaws and lacks decentralization, it remains the most popular NFT marketplace. As such, we'll upload NFT to Opensea to present that aspect as well. Of course, this uses Rollies' best-in-class NFT API. What are NFT? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are one of the most popular use cases of blockchain. As the word non-fungible suggests, non-fungible tokens have unique characteristics, which means that no two or more NFT are the same. This makes NFT great for digital art and collectibles. Moreover, it offers a way to assign ownership to digital files that already exist, or even to actual real-life assets, such as ownership papers, certificates, agreements, etc. Basically, any type of file, MP3, MP4, JPEG, PDF, etc., can be converted into an NFT. As such, we can assign unique properties to them that'll get stored on the blockchain. This means that they can't be tampered with. If you'd like to dive deeper and find out more information regarding NFT, then check out our detailed guide on that subject in the following article. Non-fungible tokens explained. What are NFT? How to create NFT? When you hear people talk about creating NFT, it can mean various things. For one, it can refer to the entire process starting from scratch. This includes creating an actual digital file, let's say a JPEG, and then minting that file to create an NFT. However, it can also refer to the minting process alone. This means that we already have the digital file created, and we just want to assign certain properties to them and then store them on the blockchain by completing a transaction, known as minting. Since most NFT available are digital art pieces, the creation process of such NFT often concerns the actual artist. Therefore, we as developers primarily focus on the minting part when discussing how to create NFT. As such, you will basically learn how to mint NFT by completing the example project below. Fortunately, Rollies offers the best API to mint NFT. Furthermore, you need to be aware that some NFT even have the file part created by computer code. In the case of JPEGs, the code can take in various PNG, images with transparent background, to generate different combinations of characters, such as CryptoPunks. As such, an additional factor of randomness can be incorporated into NFT collections. Moreover, we will incorporate a certain aspect of this type of NFT creation. Instead of images, we'll be assigning different characteristics. The latter can be useful if we want to use those NFT in NFT games or other types of dApps built using NFT programming. How to create NFT in a decentralized way. Before we go any further, You need to know that there are various ways to create NFT. It all depends on the type of NFT you're interested in creating and how much you value decentralization. For instance, you may use one of the popular platforms, such as Opensea, to mint an NFT. As a matter of fact, this is the simplest and quickest way. However, it is not a decentralized way. In addition, NFT platforms or marketplaces come with limited options and features regarding what you can assign to your NFT. As such, they may not offer you an option to assign specific properties to your NFT that you'd like. With that said, building your own Web3 application that will enable you to create NFT in a decentralized manner, completely aligned with your vision, is what we want to focus on. While this may sound like a difficult task, we assure you that by using Rollies' ultimate Web3 development platform, it's something we can accomplish much quicker than you'd expect. Furthermore, keep in mind that you do not have to mint NFT using Opensea to display them there. You can create NFT in a decentralized way and then still upload NFT to Opensea, which is exactly what we will do. How to create NFT and upload to Opensea. An example project. This section will provide you with detailed instructions that you can implement on your own and thus learn how to create NFT and upload them to Opensea easily and quickly. We also have a video available on Rollies' YouTube channel for those who prefer watching video instructions. In this video, you can look over the shoulders of one of Rollies' experts as he takes on the same example project. Moreover, as we proceed, we'll only provide you with the most significant code snippets. To access the complete code related to this example project, visit the related GitHub page. Before we take a closer look at the detailed steps of how to create NFT, we need to set up a Rollies server. Moreover, we also need to ensure that you have a relatively clear vision of what we're going to build. As such, envisioning how our Web3 application will look when finished will make things easier. How to create NFT using Rollies. There is a set of simple steps that you need to complete in order to use Rollies to learn how to create NFT and then upload NFT to Opensea. This is essentially Rollies' initial setup, and it contains crucial steps for basically every project when you want to use Rollies' Web3 API. How to create NFT and upload to Opensea. Summary: if you are serious about blockchain development, learning how to create NFT is a highly recommended skill to master. Why? As things currently stand, NFT are here to stay, and demand for anyone who knows how to create NFT in a decentralized manner expects to rise over the upcoming years. As such, we hope you'll put the valuable knowledge obtained herein to good use. You now know that with the help of Rollies, you can rather easily code a simple DApp that can generate random NFT. You also learned that displaying or listing the NFT you create on your Opensea account is simple. As long as you are connected to the same wallet, you do not have to upload NFT to Opensea manually. However, you do need to ensure that you are on the same network, the mainnet or testnet. With proper guidance and a powerful tool, such as Rollies on your side, you have all it takes to level up your blockchain development game. In case you need additional inspiration, make sure to check out our rich content on Rollies' YouTube channel and Rollies' blog. For example, Rollies' blog goes over NFT token development, how to become a blockchain developer, and building Ethereum dApps. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.